what happens. If I wave, it looks like the band just passes. Put it right here in my hand. Don't you hate it when you accidentally lose one of the Airpods? Jack of clubs, queen of spades, ace of diamonds. Watch the ace of diamonds. Follow the ace of diamonds. Where do you think it is? Here? Nope.
Ew. That's totally fake. It never is.
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic.
Oh, magic!
I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 5 easy magic tricks revealed.
Why, it's child's play now. Easiest thing in the world.
If you are new to our channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and get new magic videos like this every single week. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. Okay, this is the 3 card trick. So you can see I have 3 cards here in my hand. Only 3 cards. I've got the queen of spades, the ace of diamonds, and the jack of clubs, right? Okay. All you have to do here is follow the ace. Okay, so watch this. I'm gonna flip the cards face down on the table. Just follow the ace, right?
Alright, I've got this.
You can see I'm gonna do it slow so you can see. All right, look.
All right.
Which one is the ace of diamonds?
Right there.
Right there?
Yep.
Go ahead and flip it over. Ace of diamonds.
Okay,
Okay, go ahead and flip the rest of them.
I don't know what to say. Oh, that blew my mind. What?
This is one of my favorite card tricks of all time. All you need are 3 playing cards to do it. You need the ace of hearts and 2 other cards. It works well to do 2 black face cards. All you're gonna do is position the cards in a special way that makes the ace of hearts look like the ace of diamonds. So we're gonna cover the heart here with the corner of this card, and look, as we position the 2 cards over the heart, we create the shape of the diamond. Now the edge of the jack and the edge of the queen really create this illusion that this is the ace of diamonds, and at a glance no one will question it. So this is your preparation before the trick starts. Hold them like this. You want the A to be showing but not the little heart underneath. Now the actual ace of diamonds you're gonna put face down on the deck right here. Check this out. I got the jack of clubs, the queen of spades, and the ace of diamonds. All you have to do is follow the ace of diamonds. I'm gonna put them face down like this. Where do you think the ace of diamonds is? They will inevitably say it's right here. When they flip it over, they will be completely shocked and amazed to see that it is now the ace of hearts, and then you immediately flip over the ace of diamonds, and it seems like some amazing sleight of hand has happened right in front of their eyes. How did the ace of diamonds get over here? And you switch it with the ace of hearts. It makes no sense. And of course, these 2 cards are still the same. Try this one out at home and let me know your results. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like this trick. Watch this rubber band trick. So I have it wrapped around my thumb and my middle finger. So check this out. Just watch the rubber band. When I wave my hand over top, you can see it's completely empty. Look, just watch what happens. If I wave, it looks like the band just passes my finger.
What? Did you melt it? And put it back together? I guess, yeah, that would make sense. Or cut it?
You see it?
There's no way!
Here's the secret to one of my favorite rubber band tricks ever. You have it wrapped around your thumb and your middle finger, then all you do is just grab the band like this and you can actually pull it right through your middle finger just like that. Super easy to do. You need 1 rubber band and 1 rubber band only. You wrap it around these 2 fingers just like this. You're then gonna pinch the fingers together and lock the rubber band in like this while you're pulling from the back with these fingers. So you're gonna just kind of pinch it like this and pull. You're then gonna bring this up to the tip of that middle finger. Tilt our hand like this so the audience doesn't see that. And then this hand comes over and it contacts the tip of my finger and kind of rolls that rubber band off just like this as my hand comes over and provides cover and kind of look like I'm grabbing the band and then pulling it through my middle finger just like that. It's a super easy rubber band trick that you can do anytime, anywhere. If you like this trick, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. I have a coin and an empty glass. And the coin impossibly penetrates the glass. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Here is the secret to the coin through the glass trick. So you're going to need an extra coin. You're gonna conceal that from the audience's view. So you want your spectators seated across from you at the table. Hold that coin right here at the top of the glass. Show this coin to the audience and show the empty glass. Set the coin on the table right in front of you, and then when you bring the glass down on top of the coin, your extra hidden coin is going to fall down into the cup, and it looks like the coin on the table magically penetrated through the bottom of the glass. Now what's actually happening is the refraction of the glass on the bottom of this cup is hiding the coin on the table. So that, combined with the coin falling from the top, really creates a convincing illusion that the coin has just penetrated the glass. Now to fully get rid of this coin, you're simply going to drop this hand down from the top of the cup to the bottom and sweep it off into your lap as you pick up this glass to show the coin inside the cup. So practice this until it looks smooth, where you're just showing off the coin going right through the glass. I'm going to show you a trick you can do with Airpods. So I'm going to remove one of my Airpods and put it right here in my hand. Don't you hate it when you accidentally lose one of the Airpods? So we use a little magic. Let me get it back. Just like that. Here's everything you need to do the Airpods magic trick. I invented this trick just for this video. You need a set of Airpods. What's that? You don't have any Airpods? Well, stay tuned for the end of this video. I'm actually giving away a brand new set of Apple Airpods to one lucky comment. You'll also need a magic thumb tip. And if you don't have one of those, I'm giving away 5 of these as well. You're also going to need to print out this right here. Go to the link in the description at EvanEraTV.com and download this image for free and print it out on your computer. You're then going to take your pair of scissors and you're going to cut out the image of the Airpod. Now that you have your printed image of the Airpod cut out, you are ready to do the trick. So once you have this cut out, put both of the real Airpods in your ears and then take your paper cutout and tuck it right here behind this ear. You're gonna keep your head turned from the audience when you first present this. Call attention to your Airpod here with the thumb tip concealed in this hand. Now you're gonna reach over with this hand and grab your paper cutout of the Airpod. Being careful to keep your head turned because you don't want to expose this just yet. This is your ending. So you're gonna take your paper cutout and you're gonna go right into the thumb tip with it. Just like that. That is how you make the Airpod magically disappear. And then all you have to do to bring it back is simply turn your head and let your audience see that it is somehow already back in your ear. Now once you have this little cutout, you can actually turn it into a sticker. Put some tape on the back and stick it to the ground and you can do stuff like this.
A few moments later.
It's totally fake. It never is.
Stay tuned for the end of this video if you want to win some free Apple AirPods. You know the bite out quarter trick where I take a coin and bite the piece off? So that's a classic trick, right? But did you know it works with all money? It works with all money, actually. I actually have $1 in my pocket. You can do it with any piece of money. So if I take the bill like this and I kind of fold it and...
Oh my gosh. Isn't money dirty?
I eat the piece like that. See, watch. 1, 2,
Ew, how'd you...
3, and it magically is healed.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that cool? See? The setup for this one is so simple and it can be done with any paper bill. All you have to do is fold it in half. You're gonna do this before the trick starts, before you ever show it to anybody, and then you're going to tear it right along this edge, and then the same thing on this side. Now that you've made the 2 tears, you get this flap right here. Fold it down just like this, and this is what creates the bitten out effect of the dollar bill. Once you have this little flap made, you're then going to open up the bill like this and present it to your audience. Then take it and fold it in half. Then when you bring the bill up to your mouth like you're going to take a bite of it, all you have to do is secretly fold down this flap, and it really looks like you have just taken a bite of the dollar bill. All you have to do to restore it is this. Grab both sides of the bill right here, the ends, and unfold it all in one motion. The ending of the trick has this really nice visual pop of them seeing this gap in the bill, and then it's just visually being whole again in an instant. So you take the bill like this. That's it for this video. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked it and share it with someone who you think might like it too. Please share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, your Snapchat. All the likes and shares really help the YouTube algorithm and help more people discover the magic and be part of the fun.
Head over to EvanEraTV.com. That's our online magic shop. And you can get fun and easy tricks just like this one.
Thank you guys so much for helping us name our new white rabbit, Sir Bun Bun Hoppitus McBoing Boing the Fourth, aka David Hopperfield, aka Harry Houdini, aka Equinsuocha, aka El Blanco. You guys came up with some amazing names for this guy right here, and he's gonna be in a ton more videos, so stay tuned and give the video a thumbs up if you want to see more of Sir Bun.
Okay, it's giveaway time. In this video, we're giving away another brand new pair of Apple Airpods, and 5 magic thumb tips are going to 5 lucky winners in the comment section below. So if you want to win the brand new AirPods or the magic thumb tip, leave a comment in the comment section. Like this video and be sure to subscribe to the channel.
Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to everyone who won that giveaway. To claim your prize, be sure to check the description of this video. Links for all my other social media are down in the description of this video. Be sure to follow me there too. If you missed the last episode of How To Magic, catch up by watching it right up here. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.